Today in the grain market, soybeans were a little bit easier. Brazil estimates are exceeding last year's, and that definitely is putting some pressure on our markets. The weather forecast just keeps improving in South America, and that adds to the bearish tone, and prices, are starting to head to those September lows. That 865 number looks closer and closer. If we start to breach that, it's a little bit of lookout below. The real numbers underneath would be the $8.30 numbers, but then of course the $8 would definitely be something that everyone's concerned about. I mean, we've really been going straight down for quite a while in soybeans, and it has been worrisome. Corn was a little bit higher. There's been a little bit of technical buying. I think it pushed that market through some of these moving average numbers, and even though the demand is weak and the export inspections did miss their targets, it kind of lets you know how the market has been vulnerable to technical traders. It's pushed the market up here. A lot of the fundamental news is a little bit on the bearish side, so we've got to watch that closely. Now, wheat was lower, some profit taking coming in that really set the prices back somewhat, and I think now that the dust is cleared, that some of the traders are taking what they can off the table, but there's very little fundamental news that can keep this market up, and I think that that could add to the rally. Now, algorithms and technical traders have really been part of this rally. If they can't continue to keep this moving, I think that we could see a turnaround and a big correction on this run-up of the market. I mean, it just lets you know that the markets have been vulnerable to big volatility, and we're seeing it. I expect we're going to see even more for the rest of the month, especially leading up to the WASDE report, which it's expected to be kind of neutral. So that's going to be very difficult to say. Unless we get any kind of a trade deal, we're going to see the markets bouncing around for quite a while.